everyone, today I'm going to give you 10 tips on how to make better videos on VideoStar. So how can you make great quality? Basically, what you need to do is you need to make sure you use the back camera. And if you find that really hard, you can put a mirror behind it so you can still see if you're in the screen or something. So, the second thing is some effects are not good for the quality, and I mean they make the videos look noisy and stuff. So I suggest you do not use U-shift. I will put it here. And the rainbow circling thing, I put it here as well. And for the rest, you just have to find out if things are good for the quality or not. Besides that, quality is also influenced by the lighting you use. So you want to make sure you're in front of the window or light, and preferably white light. You don't want the light to be from the left or the right side, it just doesn't look as good. And you definitely don't want to have the light coming from your back, because I'm almost invisible now. It doesn't look good at all. You see? So you see my background is completely white, and that's the way you want it to be. You don't want a bossy background like this. I will show you. Like, it's really distracting. Everyone will keep looking at the painting. Now, you don't always have a white wall, or it has some shadows on it, like this one. What you want to do then is use the contrast effect on VideoStar, or the whitening effect on VideoStar, or the brightness effect on VideoStar. But you just have to find out yourself which one is best. Okay, so my third tip was transitions, and transitions are really important for your videos because they make your videos look a lot more enhanced or something. The best transitions to use, in my opinion, and I think many people think that way, is the transitions you make yourself on VideoStar, like the Adobe After Effects transitions, kind of like. I will insert an example right now. I don't have a tutorial on this, but maybe someone else does, and I'll put it down there. I use overlays on every single video of mine, and recently VideoStar added overlays to their app. You can just go to mixed clips, and then the last one. You can use those, but for those of you who don't like those or want to use another one, I usually get them off YouTube. I download them. And what I usually search for is overlay, and then insert the color I'm searching for example blue overlays or overlay blue, or background blue is something I use as well. And then you get tons of videos with those. I use this on every single of my summer videos, and it's basically where you put the saturation all the way up. I will insert the saturation effect. And then you go to the painting tab, and you press white or something, like the whitey thing you can put over it. I will insert a picture, and you will get this effect. Okay, I know it's really hard to be creative, like especially when you're just starting VideoStar, it's really hard. But one way you can be creative is by like just using the words of the song. Like for example, if you have the song Air Balloon by Lily Allen, you make an air balloon on VideoStar and just base your whole video around that. Okay, so my next tip I call decoration, because I usually like to do this a lot, and it basically means you put like little things on your video after you finish the whole thing. And I go with daisies or other flowers a lot, or just stripes at the bottom and at the top, and yeah, it makes the video look really cute and different from other videos. You can find those things by searching for Tumblr overlays or Tumblr PNG on Google. That's a really great way to spice up your videos as well. This is the greatest way to make your videos look more complicated and just make them less boring. I do this a lot. Here are some great fonts I like to use. You can just pause the video if you want to use them. And yeah, I do that just on VideoStar. I download them from dafont.com. clones make a video look really special. Like, it couldn't be filmed just with a normal camera or something. You really have to edit your videos for it. And basically what you do is you just go stand on one place. Make sure you have the AE button turned on, because that means the lighting will be the same. Like, now the lighting is different from here, and with that button that will happen. So you just film in one place and then you film the same thing on another place and you add them together. I will put a link to the tutorial in the description. The last tip seems really obvious, like of course you gotta have fun while you're doing YouTube otherwise. But it's really important to have fun in a video, because yeah, it just makes the video look so much brighter and summery. Like, you could use saturation effect to make it look summery, but if you sit like this, you know, the fight won't get to your viewers. So you really gotta make sure you're smiling, and a genuine smile is the best, but if that's not possible, then maybe fake it till you make it. So yeah, you just gotta be smiling. That's really important. And yeah, use a lot of hand moves as well, like don't go like this. Those are my tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I would love a thumbs up. It really makes me happy. Makes me genuinely smile. And see you in the next video. You have a great day. Bye. By the way, it's so cold in Europe right now. Unbelievable. Hope you're doing well in this school.